my Poraholic friends, Loida here from loveacrylicpainting.com. Today I am planning on doing a seascape pour with some extra paints that I have left over from another painting that I did for my 3D Seascapes course that is going to be released on August 15th. So if you're interested in that course, make sure to check the description box below because I have a link there where you can find out more information about this 3D Seascapes course, in which I teach you how to embellish your seascapes so that they look 3D and they look a little bit more realistic and bring your paintings back to life. So I'm going to be doing this, these two paintings with the remaining paints that I have. And I don't really have a plan. I just have these leftover paints and I thought, well, I might just use them right now rather than saving them. So I got these two 10 by 10s and I'm thinking of maybe doing a seascape in which, you know, the painting will transition from here to here, but I'm not really sure how I'm going to be tilting the painting, you know, these two paintings at the same time. Maybe it won't be as difficult as it seems because they're pretty small, but we'll see. If it just doesn't turn out exactly as I thought it would, well, at least we'll have two different ocean pours. But let's get started. it's just going to be gorgeous. Of course, it's going to dry more like a matte color because we used floetrol. However, I'm going to varnish this with a very high gloss varnish, and then I'm going to add some extra elements right there where we have those blingy crystals. And that extra element that I'm gonna add, it's just gonna make it even a lot more sparkly. So I like that it transitions. It's roughly around the same area, so we can use these two paintings, you know, next to each other, side by side. We're gonna let it dry, and then I'm going to add a coat of varnish. Since this is gonna take a while to dry, I'm not going to show the finished results right now. I'm going to show you the finished results in my next video. So here I just decided to add, you know, a few shells. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below for my 3D Seascapes course that is going to be released on August 15th. You can still get this course at a discounted price if you get it before August 15th, 2021. Let me know what you think about these paintings. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And if you like this video, then go ahead and share it with your friends. Invite them to come over and join the fun. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.